The survey data in Civil 3D is the basis for the existing surface model of the project area. First, let's verify that the project has survey points in the existing grade point group. Making sense of more than 600 points requires help from geographic information, such as aerial photos. Select the Insert tab. For example, an image from Google Earth may help locate such features as roads and buildings. However, for this project, we have an aerial photo of the campus, which includes aerial targets for aligning the image to survey points. Under the Home tab, click the Layer Manager button to open the Layer Manager. Click the New Layer button and create a layer named Sea Aerial Photo. With the new layer selected, click the green check mark to make it the current layer. Close the Layer Manager. This project references the Campus 2000 aerial photo, which is a JPEG image file. This file should be copied to the same folder as the TopoMap project file for easy reference. Select the Insert tab and click the Attach button to insert this image. Navigate to the file location and open it. In this dialog box, specify the insertion point and the scale. Enter the coordinates that locate the image near the survey points. These will be large numbers because this survey is based on the California Coordinate System North American Datum of 1927. Specify the scale as well to easily see the image when it's inserted. Here we'll use 1000. No rotation at this time. Click OK. And here is the project area. Now align this image to the survey data by locating the aerial targets in the image and the corresponding survey points. Zoom into the image and locate the 3 aerial targets. Here's 1, 2, and 3. The first target is point 50, located here. Try the Zoom option to locate point 50. Right-click, select Zoom to, and here we are at point 50. Draw a circle around this point so that you can find it later. Do the same to find point 51. We can see here that it's easy to find the circles. The other target is at the intersection. Point 5 is a standard brass cap. Now align the aerial target in the photo to survey point 50. Start with the Move command. Select the image. Only the border of the image can be selected. Press Enter. Specify the base point by clicking on the aerial target location on the image. This can be very closely eyeballed. Click. There is now a rubber band line connected to the target point. Specify the second point, which is point 50. Verify the Object Snap button is set to off. Again, eye in the survey point location and click. Now the image aligns with one survey point, but the image covers the points. To reset the display order, type DR on the command line and press Enter. Select the image border. Send this image to back, which is the default setting, by pressing Enter. Now the points are visible. Next, rotate the image to align two aerial targets to their corresponding survey points. Use the Rotate command. Select the image, rotate the image. Do not rotate the survey points. Specify the base point by clicking on point 50, which is the only point currently aligned with the image. Verify the object snaps are off. Click to get the rubber band line. This rotate command has an option to reference the angle, so it doesn't need to be calculated. Type R and press Enter. The reference angle requires that we click point 50 again to get the rubber band line. Then pan over to the target in the intersection. Click the target. This line becomes the zero reference for the required angle. Notice how the image rotates counterclockwise as the crosshairs align to the survey point. Click on point 5 to specify the new angle. Now the aerial target in the image aligns with survey point 5. The image just needs to be scaled. Start the Scale command. Select the image. Press Enter. Click on the base point, point 50. Notice the Scale command has a reference option too. Type R on the command line and press Enter. Click again on point 50 to get a rubber band line. Click on the aerial target at the intersection in the image. This length becomes the reference length that needs to be scaled. Notice how the image gets larger as the crosshairs move towards survey point 5. Click on point 5. Remember to turn off object snaps to do this. Now the aerial photo should fit the survey data. To verify, zoom to point 51 to see if the aerial target aligns with the data point. Looks good. Also notice that the edge of the sidewalk points align with the image. This is further confirmation that the image is aligned properly. Always save your work.